In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily fix technical SEO in your Wix website, taking advantage of the platform's built-in tools and settings. Whether you're just getting started with your online presence or looking to optimize what's already there, these steps will guide you through enhancing your site's visibility and performance. First things first, let's navigate to the Wix website editor. You can do this by heading to the Wix site and signing in if you aren't already. Once logged in, you'll see a list of your existing sites. Click on My Site to get started with the website you want to optimize. This intuitive editor is where you'll make all the necessary adjustments to improve your site's SEO. Next, turn your attention to the left-hand side of the editor. You'll find an icon resembling stacked lines. This is the Pages and Menu icon. Clicking on it reveals a list of all the pages currently part of your website. It's a central hub for managing and organizing your site's content structure, which is crucial for both user experience and SEO. Once you have the list of pages in front of you, look for three little dots typically located next to each page name. Clicking these dots opens a menu with various options. It's like opening a door to specific settings tailored for that particular page, where you can access and tweak details to ensure each page is functioning at its best for search engines. Finding SEO success is easier when you engage with the basics, and Wix makes this accessible. Click on SEO Basics. This section houses the foundational settings that each page should have, things like meta tags, page titles, and descriptions. Making sure each is not only filled out, but optimized with relevant keywords is a game changer in how your page is perceived by search engines. For those ready to take their optimization a step further, navigate to Advanced SEO, also accessible through the same menu. This section delves deeper into the specifics and allows for more control over individual page optimization, catering to more complex SEO strategies like structured data and URL redirects. It's an excellent area to refine and customize how your pages appear in search results. Finally, here lies the control center where you can edit and fix all things SEO across your site. It's important to regularly revisit this section to ensure your content aligns with best practices and search engine updates, helping your site remain competitive and relevant. While it might seem daunting, Wix's SEO tools simplify the process, breaking it down into manageable steps that anyone can follow. By meticulously going through each of these areas and utilizing the features Wix provides, you'll be well on your way to boosting your site's search engine ranking and potentially its overall success. Happy optimizing!